I have got a good news for you. YouTube has recently made some changes to help small channels get monetized faster. As sooner as possible. The faster, the sooner for you. And in this video, I am going to share with you how you can get monetized in just 30 days with me. We all know how frustrating it can be to try and get monetized on YouTube. Oh my! You have got to meet the eligible requirements, right? Which can be tough and easy to get, especially if you are just starting out. And if you do meet the requirements, there is no guarantee that you will get approved. But what if I told you that YouTube is now making it easy for small channels to get monetized? YouTube has recently introduced a new program called the YouTube Monetization Accelerator. This program is only designed to help small channels get monetized faster and easier by providing them with the tools and resources they need to succeed. And the best part is you can get started with this program in just a few clicks. Guys, this is so massive. This good news is so massive. So if you are a small channels or you are a small content creator that is just starting out, just get ready to get monetized within 30 days. Only if you meet the eligible what requirements, which you all know that is what 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 what watch hour. So how do you get started with the YouTube monetization accelerator? Well, it is actually pretty easy. Here are the steps you need to follow.
You need to apply to join the program. So you need to go to your YouTube studio. So let me show you. When you're on your desktop or your mobile app, you can click on Earn. So over here. And then if you have those numbers hit, then you will see this unlocked and you can click on Apply Now.
You have to click on the Apply for Monetization button. Fill out the application form and submit it for reviews. Then wait for YouTube to review your application and approve you for monetization. Isn't that easy? And once you have been approved, you will be able to start earning money from your videos. Now, here are the few tips and tricks to help you get the most out of the YouTube monetization accelerator. Make sure you meet the eligibility requirements before applying. Use high quality thumbnails and title to increase your video's visibility. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and creating community posts. Like, always make use of your community posts, because there are some people on YouTube that their work is like they mainly make see some YouTubers channel through the community post. So you need to access their what all these YouTube word features if you want to get monetized using this word YouTube monetization word accelerator. Use your YouTube analytics to track your video performances and adjust your strategy accordingly. So don't you ever ignore your YouTube analytics, because that is also part of your what? Your monetization process. By following these steps and trick, you will be able to increase your chances of getting approved for monetization and earning more money from your videos. Isn't that awesome? That is perfect. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid when applying for monetization. Don't you ever try to game the system by buying views or engagement. Don't use copyrighted materials in any of your videos without what? A clear permission. Don't ever spam your audience with too many ads or promotion just for you to get views, just for you to get eligibility requirements very fast, and don't you ever ignore your audience's feedback and concern. So by the time you start avoiding these common mistakes, you will be able to build trust with your audience, and by that way it will help you to increases your chances of getting approved for monetization. Now let's hear from this creator who has already seen success with the YouTube monetization accelerator.
I did not get monetized in 30 days. I got monetized in 89 days. But if I would know what I know now, well, I would have done it quicker because now I've got videos on this channel that if all I did was create one of those videos, I would have gotten monetized and I could have sped that up a lot quicker. And I believe I could have did it within 30 days.
This creator and many other creators like him have seen real results from using the YouTube monetization accelerator. And with the right strategy and mindset, you can too. So there you have it. The YouTube monetization accelerator is like a powerful tool that can help you get monetized. I mean, get us monetized in just 30 days. And by following the tips and tricks I shared with you today, you will be able to increase your chances of success. Now, when you look at my channel, you see that I have reached my 1,000 subscribers and is remaining my 4,000 watch hour. So once I've reached my 4,000 watch hour, I will now sign for my monetization. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for your YouTube monetization accelerator today and start earning money from your videos. I mean, massive money. You start earning in dollars. You start counting in dollars. And if you want to learn more about YouTube monetization and growth hacks, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you wouldn't want to miss out on any of my videos. I'll be sharing more tips and tricks in future videos, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.